the latest hot melt adhesive dispensing machine. Hot melt glue dispensing machine. You can use hot melt glue. Water glue can be used. Cold glue, rolling glue. Any glue can be used, like these sub-sensitive glue blocks, glue sticks, small pieces of glue. This kind of glue can be used. Put the lid on, just add it in. You can draw a glue line like this. You can draw a glue line like this. The thickness of this glue line can be adjusted. You can also draw plain. You can also draw the sides of the box. Then, you can also draw glue with width like this. This width is 2 centimeters. Available in 3 mm and 4 mm sizes. You can choose. This glue is a substitute. It can completely replace double-sided tape. We put stickers inside this one. It can completely replace double-sided tape. Stickier than double-sided tape. It won't dry after it's applied. Can always stick. It depends on what glue you use. And then what about inside this one? This one has temperature control. It can be adjusted from 0 to 200 degrees. Then there is a motor. It has the thickness of the glue that comes out. The backpack will be adjusted from this place. You can also change various size glue heads. 2 centimeters, 3 mm, 4 mm, big and small, wide or narrow, long or short. This glue head can be replaced at will. This is the latest model. This head will not drip glue when it is stationary. There won't be glue leakage. No matter how long you leave it, it won't drip, will not leak. It relies on a motor to pull it out, and it has an enlarged glue tank. There is a seal and there is a device to press the lid. The lid won't fall off. It won't be hot. All kinds of glue can be used. Latest model. We show you how our machine works. Let me tell you here. Not like common machine. The kind of glue machine that relies on automatic downward flow. There is a motor behind this glue machine. There is a pump inside. Put the glue in here. Put the glue inside this. It's taken out through a pump. The speed can be adjusted here. That's what it's for. You see, it sticks out like this. You can try using various glues to stick this iron plate on it. Take a look. Wow, this is so sticky. Can't pull it apart.